Hi everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to customize your folder icons on Windows 10. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to give your folders a unique and personalized look. So, let's get started. The first step is to choose the icon you want to use. You can use icons that are already saved on your computer or download new ones from the internet. If you're downloading an icon, make sure it's in a compatible file format, such as .ico or .png. You can also create your own icon using an image editing software like Adobe Photoshop or even MS Paint. You can use any free website to convert your image or PNG into ICO. As you can see, that I already have downloaded a few cute icons. Now, right-click on the folder you want to customize and select Properties. In the Properties window, click on the Customize tab. Next, click on the Change Icon button to open the Change Icon window. In this window, click on Browse and navigate to the folder where you saved your icon. Once you've found your icon, select it and click Open. After selecting the icon, click OK to apply the new icon to the folder. If you don't see the new icon right away, you may need to refresh the folder. To do this, right-click on the folder and select Refresh. And there you have it. We've successfully customized our folder icon on Windows. Repeat these steps for any other folders you want to customize. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. Don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.